Hi, and welcome to another Type with me. In this episode, we will talk about Typescript JSON decoders. Let's go. So one of the libraries that does a pretty good job to be a JSON decoder within Typescript is ts.data.json. And when we look into the latest commit, it's 5 days ago, so that's quite good, right? So if we look into the contributors, then we see what the frequency is that they are contributing to this library. Great. So let's go and dive deep into this and see what ts.data can do for us. So you use JSON decoders to make sure that a given runtime value compiles with a specific compile time type. And not only that, but also gives you specific tools to apply transformation, failovers, and more to your TypeScript code, right? So for that, we will install the ts.data.json library, right? So now here we have that library available for us, and we can start and experiment a little bit with that. Alright, so the following code is just a start for us to start using this library JSON decoder, right? And we're going to decode hi, just a string, to get ourselves started. Great. So let's build this. Nice. And now when we do node dot, we get OK with a value of hi. So he decoded it with the value hi. So basically the return object is an OK object. And when there is an error, we get an error object back from JSON decoder.string.decode, right? So another thing that I can show to you is the following code, and that's the decode promise. So when we have an OK or something that's right, we go to the then, and otherwise we go to the catch. So we save this, we build this. And when we now execute this, we get hi back, because it just goes to our decode promise, and we go into the then method, right? So we can choose if we're going to use just the decode function, and then we wrap an OK object or an error object, or we go for the async method, right? So imagine that we have an API that sends a user back, right? With a first name and a last name. Then we can use or define our user decoder, which is a JSON decoder.object, which uses the interface of user. And he has a first name, which is a JSON decoder.string, and a last name, which is a JSON decoder.string, and then we have our user, right? And then of course we can define a valid user and an invalid user, right? And after that, we can say sometimes it's a valid user and sometimes it's an invalid user, depending on the match.random, right? And then of course we have our user decoder.decode promise, which is a JSON object, and then we'll have a valid object back when it's valid towards our interface, or we get an error when it's not. So let's build this. When we now do node dot, we will get our valid user, or we will get that null is not a valid string. Which is great, because then we can say this to our end user when we get something back from our API, right? Awesome. I hope you learned something from this tutorial. I hope I see you back. Please subscribe to this channel. Bye.